IPL menu this season. What players is likely to say the change of menu as few centers with chapatis cooked on traditional wood-filled tandooris instead of gas-cooked rotis, deep-fried items being replaced by cuisine prepared by using the non-LPG fuel. LPG crunch due to the West Asia war crisis will force the caterers to switch to traditional cooking techniques using coal and firewood apart from electric cookers and induction stoves. Already the MP Hotels Association has also advised cities to go for traditional ways of cooking and crisis menus in order to keep their business operational. And many same measures can be for caterers serving teams, officials, media and spectators at various IPL centers. Many of the caterers have been asked to be ready for the current IPL season. Caterer admitted this, they are already facing problems due to shortage of commercial LPG. Every day for a match they need 8 to 10 cylinders per day LPG, and every venue has food stalls for customers which serve ready-made and do the cooking as well. Many of them are using commercial LPG cylinders during a match every day. Every venue has food stalls and they serve ready-made. So very difficult to sustain demand in the current situation. However, if things change, situation issues, things may change. Already it has maybe the IRCTDC has already shifted to induction stoves for the cooking for its railway customers.